Hello students, again welcome back to the video. This is the fourth part of the video where we will be solving the question number 37 to 48. Here we are solving the exercise polynomial from R.S. Aggarwal, exercise 2G, CBSE class 9. In the last three videos I have solved first video 1 to 12 and then 13 to 24 and 25 to 36. And now we are going to solve question number 37 to 48 to put an end of this series of the video. So let's see what the question number 37 is given. The question number 37 says the root 2 x square plus 3x plus root 2. So we will stick to the rules that we have to do root 2 times root 2, which will give me 4, and from 4 I need to get 3, so 4 times 1. Root 2 x square, 4 minus 1 times x plus root 2. So root 2 x square plus 4x minus x plus root 2. I can take root 2 common. So I will be having, okay, so 4 minus 1 actually will not work. So I have to change it. The 4 can be written as 2 plus 2. Okay, I mean 2 times 2 can be written as 2 times 2. So it will be 2 plus 2, 4. But that also will not work. Okay, I think we have done something wrong because root 2 times root 2 is not 4. It's actually 2. Root 2 times 2. So it's 2, 2 times 1. So it will be 2 plus 1. So it will be 2x plus x. And if I take root 2 common, root 2x common, I will be left with x plus root 2. And if I take 1 common, I will be left with x plus root 2. So that means I am left with x plus root 2 times x root 2 plus 1. The question number 38. Let's do question number 38. It's root 5x square plus 2x minus 3 root 5. So 3 root 5 into root 5 is 15. From 15 I need to get 2. So it's 5 times 3. So it's root 5x square plus 5 minus 3 times x minus 3 root 5. It's root 5x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 3 root 5. It's I can take root 5x common, it's x plus root 5. I can take 3 common, it's x plus root 5. So it's x plus root 5 into root 5 times x minus 3. So it's 38. We will be doing the 39th one. Sorry. 39th one is given 2x square plus 3 root 3x plus 3. Okay. 2x square plus 3 root 3x plus 3. So I have 2 times 3, or actually I have 2 into root 3 times root 3. So the factors will be 2 root 3 and root 3. If I add them, I will be getting 3 root 3. So as I told you, always stick to the concept. 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 times x plus 3. 2x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3x plus 3. If I take 2x common, it's x plus root 3. If I take root 3 common, it's x plus root 3. I can do x plus root 3. I'll be left with 2x plus root 3. 39th. Question number 40 is 2 root 3 x square plus x minus 5 root 3. So it's 2 root 3 times 5 root 3, which is 10 3s are 30. So 5 times 6. 2 root 3 x squared, 6 minus 5 times x minus 5 root 3. 2 root 3 x squared, 6x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. I can take 2 root 3x common. I'll be left with x plus root 3, and I can take 5 common. I will be left with x plus root 3. So I can do 2 root 3x and x plus root 3. That's the 40th one. Question number 41 is given 5 root 5 x square plus 20x plus 3 root 5 and 5 root 5 times 3 root 5. So it's 15 times 5. 15 times 5. And 15 plus 5 is 20. So 5 root 5 x square. 15 plus 5 times x plus 3 root 5. 5 root 5 x square. 15x plus 5x plus 3 root 5. So I can take 5 root 5 common. I'll be left with 5 root 5x common, so I'll be left with x plus root 5, and from here I can take x plus, actually I'll be left with 5 root 5 if I take common. No, we have to take only root 5 common. Okay, because we cannot take 5 root 5 common. Root 5x if I take common, I'll be left with 5x plus 3 root 5, and if I take 1 common, I will be left with 5x plus 3 root 5, and then I can write 5x plus 3 root 5 times root 5x plus 1. Question number 42. The question number 42 is given 7 root 2 x square minus 10x minus 4 root 2. So it's 4 root 2 times 4 root 2, that means it's 16 times 2 or 32. 32, 16 times 2 is 32. So, or 4 times 8, 32. I need 10. 4 into 4 into 2, or 5 times 2. I need the difference be 10. So 4 root 2, sorry, I have written the questions wrong. It's 7 root 2. So it's 7. It's 7. So 7 times 4 times 2. So it's nothing but 14 times 2. 14 times 4. 14 times 4. 7 root 2 x square plus 4 sorry, minus 14x minus 14 minus 4x minus 4 root 2, 7 root 2 x square minus 14x plus 4x minus 4 root 2. So I can take 7 root 2 x common, so I'll be left with x minus root 2, and if I take 4 common, I'll be left with x minus root 2. So x minus root 2 into 7 root 2 x plus 4. That's the 42. Question number 42. Question number 43 is 6 root 3 x square minus 47x plus 5 root 3. So 6 into 5 into 3. Okay, so 45 into 2. 6 root 3 x square minus 45 plus 2 times x plus 5 root 3. 6 root 3 x square 45x minus 2x plus 5 root 3. Okay, how much I can take common? I can obviously take 43 common. 3 root 3 common. 3 root 3 x common. I'll be left with 2x minus 5 root 3 minus 1 common. 2x minus 5 root 3. So 2x minus 5 root 3 times 3 root 3 x minus 1, 43. It's the question number 43. Next, the question number 44. It's again similar question. So it's 7 x squared 2 root 14x plus 2. So 7x squared 2 root 14x plus 4. Okay, so we have 14, which I can write root 14 times root 14. So it's 7x squared root 14 plus under root 14 x plus 2. So 7x squared plus under root 14x plus root 14x plus 2. I can take 7x common, it's x plus root 2, plus I can take so if I take 7 common, actually I can take root 7 common, so it's root 7x plus root 2, and I can take root 2 common, it is root 7x plus root 2. So it's root 7x plus root 2 times root 7x plus root 2. So we are getting actually two equal factors. Okay, so that's 44. Let's do 45. The 45 is 2 times x plus y the whole square minus 9 times x plus y minus 5. It's very easy. What we can do, we can write let x plus y equals to p. So it's 2p square minus 9p minus 5. And in the same way, if I factorize it, I must get 2p square minus 10p minus p, 10 minus 1 into p, 1 into p minus 5. So it's 2p square minus 10p plus p minus 5. I can take 2p common, it's p minus 5. I can take 1 common, it's p minus 5. So I can do p minus 5 into 2p plus 1. And I can just put the value of p now. It's x plus y minus 5 and 2x plus 2y plus 1. So question number 45. Then let's do question number 46, which is given 9 times 2a minus b the whole square minus 4 times 2a minus b minus 13. We can just write in the same way, let 2a minus b equals to p. So, or simply x, because the p and x looks like same. So it's 9x square minus 4x minus 13. So it's 13 times 3 times 3. So it's actually 9 minus 13. So 9x square minus 13 minus 9 times x minus 13. So it's 9x square minus 13x plus 9x minus 13. I can take just x common, it's 9x minus 13. I can take 1 common, it's 9x minus 13. So it's nothing but 9x minus 13 and x plus 1. And I just need to put the value of x, which will be 18a minus 9b minus uh, 13, and 2a minus b plus 1. That's the question number 46. Let's do question number 47. In the same way it can be done. 7 into x minus 2y the whole square minus 25 into x minus 2y plus 12. So we can take let uh, x minus 2y as say a. So it's 7a squared 25a plus 12. So it's 7 into 3 into 4. So it's nothing but 21 plus 4 times a plus 12. It's 7a square minus 21a minus 4a plus 12. It's 7a minus 3 minus 4 into a minus 3. It's a minus 3 and 7a minus 4. And I just need to put the value of a, which is x minus 2y. So x minus 2y minus 3 into 7x minus 14y minus 4. If I put the value of a. Now the last question, question number 48. It's 4x to the power 4 plus 7x square minus 2. So I just need to do it. I can take let x square as say p. So we can write it's 4p square plus 7p minus 2. So it's 4p square plus 8 minus 1p minus 2. 4p square 8p minus p minus 2. If you take 4p common, it's p plus 2 minus 1 common, p plus 2. So it's p plus 2 times 4p minus 1. Now you can put the value of p now. It's x square plus 2 and it's 4x square minus 1. So this x square plus 2 is fine, but this can be factorized again by the a square minus b square formula. So it will have finally 2 and 1, 3 factors, and this is the answer for the question number 48. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed it. In the next video, we'll be solving the next exercise. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment on the video. Thank you. Bye.